What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how I made $1,275 in 1 month from a brand new YouTube channel. Now, everybody always asks, how do I get YouTube channels to start making money? Because they have a YouTube channel and it's not making any money. What can they do? Well, it's been about a year since I've done a whiteboard video, so today that's what we're doing. But I want to explain something. This new YouTube channel is not getting any money from YouTube themselves, okay? I'm not even monetized to make money from YouTube ads, okay? Because number one, I only have 6 subscribers, okay? So I'm not even close to the 1,000, and I have not yet got to the 4,000 hours of watch time, okay? But I still made over $1,000 in 1 month from this brand new YouTube channel. But how did I do it? It's called affiliate marketing, right? Now this is something that I teach. I teach over it inside my affiliate marketing on YouTube course. If you want to go check it out, I'll put a link down below. It will get you $47 off. So it takes it from $67 down to $20. Okay, you can go get it today. Okay, link will be down in the description box below. But inside this course, I show you how to go after different monetization strategies, not just after YouTube ads. Okay, so the main thing I'm teaching you, okay, it's called affiliate marketing on YouTube. So I'm teaching you, yep, you guessed it, affiliate marketing. That's exactly what I did with this YouTube channel. Here's the cool part. This YouTube channel only had 5 videos. Only 5 videos for the month of June. Here's why. The reason why this brand new YouTube channel was able to make money was because I went after buyers. And if you go after buyers, then you're gonna see that you will make commissions if you're an affiliate marketer. That's the only way it works, okay? You have to educate a buyer, and that's exactly what I did, okay? Again, this channel only had 5 videos. Brand new channel, 5 videos, okay? I started this channel, I think it was like June 2nd or 3rd. It wasn't the first day, but I started like June 2nd or June 3rd, somewhere right around there, and it took me about a month to make over $1,000, okay? Why I say it took me about a month, the last few days of the month, then I started to really make some money, okay? I made about $350, something like that, in the last few days of the month. But here's what I did. So these are a few of the things that I did, okay? These are 3 of the videos. These are the titles to those videos. One is actually 5 things to know before you buy X, okay? Now, I'll just come out and say it. This was it's a kitchen product, okay? It's a kitchen product. It goes for about $400, okay? So it's a very specific product, and this is one of the reasons why I think so many new affiliates or new YouTubers are struggling, because they're going after very popular niches like how to make money online, going after how to this, or gaming, or Fortnite gaming, or whatever it is, some new fangled thing, the Apple Watch 4, or whatever it is, okay? They're going after the newest thing. But for a new YouTuber, a new channel, that's not the way you need to do it. You need to go after, smaller niches. Okay, you want to be a big fish in a small pond, not a small fish in a big pond, because no one's ever going to find you. Here's another thing I did. How to fix X. This is what made me the bulk of my money, okay? This right here. Let me explain. Like I said, this is a kitchen product, okay? It sells for about $400. To get this product fixed, you can send it into the manufacturer and pay the fee and get it fixed. The most common problem with this product is the fix for it is about $170. Okay, so it's a common problem, and the company knows about it. However, people still buy this product, and it still sells well. But in order to get it fixed, it's about $170 for that fix. This does not include shipping it back to the company. Okay, so it's about a $200 fix. Here's what I did. How to fix blank. This was a problem that I had as well. So it's an item that my wife actually uses. Now, because of this, how to fix blank, I searched for an alternative fix. And I found the product, the exact item that fixes said product is about $50 on Amazon. And it takes about 10 minutes to actually do the work yourself. And I watched a YouTube video on how to do it, okay? So how to fix blank it takes about $50 of your money, and it takes about 10 minutes of your time. It takes less time to actually do the fix than it does to box up the item and ship it back to the manufacturer, and then pay $170 for them to fix it, okay? So, how to fix blank. That product is about $50 that I'm recommending, okay? And it's a product on Amazon, which I then make money for, okay? Not only that, the people were about to spend $170 to ship it back to the company. So they have an extra $120 they can spend. What do? The majority of them are buying different things to go along with that kitchen item, okay? That made me the bulk of my money. When I say the bulk, I'm saying about 80% of my money came from this one video, how to fix blank. It's not only a how-to video, but on top of that, I'm showing an alternative and a more affordable option to fix that item than to ship it off to the manufacturer. That the manufacturer is saying you have to do it. Okay? No, you don't. You can do something else, which is much better in my opinion. It's going to save you money, and at the same time, it actually doesn't void any warranty. Okay? And guess what? There's really no warranty if you're spending $170 on the product anyway. Okay? So that's what I'm talking about. Next one, and this one did okay. 3 affordable alternatives to blank. And I talk about this all the time. Let's say I want to find an alternative to this dry erase, whatever it is, okay? This little eraser. If this was a $20 eraser, it's not, but let's say it was. If this was a $20 eraser and people didn't want to buy this, let's say there was a video out there, 3 affordable alternatives to the Staples dry erase eraser, okay? And then I talk about the 3 different options that you can get, and then go get them on Amazon. Here's why I'm able to make money from all these new YouTube channels that most people are struggling to make a single dollar. It's because they're going after YouTube ads. I'm not, okay? I'm going after affiliate marketing. I am targeting buyers. People that need to buy, people that want to buy, people that have the money to buy something. If you do this over and over again, you're going to see your views go up. More people are watching. More people are sharing these videos, which is key, because this one right here, I can tell you right now, I did a Reddit post on this one, okay, and people started sharing this. It started to get the upvotes, whatever, and it did really well, okay. I still don't have 4,000 hours of watch time. I still don't have over 1,000 subscribers. I don't even think I have 40, okay, on this channel. But the best part about it right now is that it's still making me money, simply because I found the right videos, okay? So if you have a brand new YouTube channel, let me give you some advice, okay? Let me give you some tips. The first tip, if you have a brand new YouTube channel, is to pump out some videos. You don't know what's gonna work. You have no clue what's gonna work. You have no idea which one of these videos is gonna go viral, semi-viral, which one of these videos is just gonna tank and not get a single view. You don't know that until you create the video, you publish it, and see what happens. As a brand new YouTuber, brand new YouTube channel, you need to experiment. That's exactly what I've been doing, okay? That's what I do, is I experiment. I see what's gonna work and what won't. If you know what works, all you have to do is recreate it. And guess what? You can. You can use this exact same, these 3 videos that I've shown you right here, and do it for yourself. Let me give you an example. Things to know before buying the Apple Watch, the new Apple Watch. What do you need to know? How to fix the new Apple Watch. Maybe the strap doesn't stick on, okay? Maybe it doesn't turn on when you turn your wrist. Whatever it is. 3 affordable alternatives to the Apple Watch, okay? Which ones are you gonna get? Okay, is Samsung making something that's more affordable and better? Maybe Jawbone has some, which is an older brand. I think they're still out there. You never know. Maybe Fitbit has something. I don't know, but this is something that you could address and make a video on it. Okay. Next tip: when you create your videos, just because you're not getting subscribers doesn't mean anything. When I create these little channels, what I'm doing is I'm trying to get the content out there, get people to click on the links. I could care less about a subscriber. The simple reason for that, me saying that is because chances are somebody that wants to know how to fix blank is not going to need to know how to fix it again. Okay, so it's a very specific idea, very specific channel, very specific niche, which means the amount of subscribers you get is limited. People are not going to want to come back over and over again to watch that video on that particular thing. Okay? Tip number 3. When you create a video, don't just hit publish and think, okay, I'm done. Okay? That's all I have to do. What you need to understand is after you hit publish, go over to Reddit. Post a link, share that video. Go over to Facebook, post a link, share that video. Go over to your Instagram account, post a link. Publish a picture of your actual thumbnail and say, head over to my YouTube channel, just did a new video. Okay? Make sure you are promoting that video, because in the beginning, when you're a brand new channel, nobody's gonna see you. Nobody has any idea that that video or your channel is even out there. So go, put some effort behind it and publish these videos, okay? But at the same time, promote them. If you promote your videos on top of your YouTube channel, you will start to get more views. Hopefully you'll get some subscribers, but in the end, the goal is to make more money. Right? So if you guys have any questions on how you can make money, how you make over $1,000 in 1 month doing simple YouTube videos from a brand new channel, let me know. You can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. But like I said, if you're new to this, you want to know how to make money on YouTube creating simple videos, make sure you go check out the link in the description box below. Go check out affiliate marketing on YouTube. Okay? I'm going to walk you through exactly not only how to make some money, but how to do it quickly. Alright? So again, if you have any questions, let me know. Ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash the thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.